we're gonna be doing the first mods on my BMW E36, starting with welding the diff today, potentially working on a hydraulic e-brake for the damn thing, because this shit is messed up. And then, you know, potentially we've got some other modifications we can do. Zooted smoke and vape. All right, Dalton, go in there, go handle business. How much was it?
$45.
45 fucking dollars. Okay, we got off-brand Galaxy gas, bruh. The Beamer, the 4-cylinder, gonna be off that Zooted shit. Shout out Zooted Smoke Shop. We had a little situation go on. I'm not taking the blame on this one. Just show them, just show them. That has nothing to do with me. Look at this. We have Flex Seal, okay? Flex Seal clear. So let's see if this works, all right? So we put the Flex Seal on the window shield. I don't know if it's gonna do anything. You know, we had a little accident. It's okay, no big deal. Waiting for Mr. Tyler, our pro drifter homie, to come and weld our shit. All right, Tyler's here. So we're gonna put some gas in this beautiful beast. Oh, we gotta tell him the name. We came up with a name. Tyler, we came up with the name. Since we have a cracked windshield and the car's black, we're thinking about calling it the Black Cracker.
Oh God, I feel like that's controversial.
I mean it.
So they gave you like something for the end?
Yeah, so like a nozzle. I was thinking about going to Advanced because we got a buddy that works there, and then he'll just like give us the fittings or whatever. All right, so current plan right now is Tyler's gonna take the Beamer, gonna head to the lift to Advanced and go find some fittings and some line.
Yeah, this is hate that fucking Galaxy gas shit.
We're gonna find line for the Galaxy gas. Is that the solution?
Might be.
Could be. Here we go, here we go.
No, that's too big.
Damn it. Nope. Okay, we're leaving Advanced now. Shout out to, I can't say his name because he hooked us up. Shout out to him, homie at Advanced. We got everything we need. We got liquid, we got a bunch of hose, we got some hose clamps. Tyler's about to weld it. He's been busting tail while we've been at Advanced Auto trying to figure out this bullshit.
I'm gonna try lowering the subframe and seeing if we can't weld the diff with everything in the car. I brought my MIG welder here today, so should be pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Right now we've got the 4 subframe bolts taken out, moved some heat shields out the way, took the exhaust off the hanger, and I believe we're at a point now where I can start to lower this pole jack and everything will come down. And the goal is to be able to get up to the very top up there to get those last couple of diff case bolts off. This way we can try and weld everything in the car, save us some time. We gotta drain this out and try and not make a mess everywhere. Hope I don't make a mess. Now that we got the sway bar loosened up, we can move it out the way. Hit this last bolt. There we go. Woo! Almost dropped the bolt. So we got the cover off. Now you can see the actual diff itself. This is a small case diff. These are 4-cylinder BMWs, so they don't really make a lot of power. They don't need a big ring and pinion, so this is what we got. This is fine. We're just gonna weld everything in this center section to the actual case. We're gonna clean it up as best as we can with this one can of brake clean. Yeah, we got the diff welded. I don't think we have any RTV, so at this point we're going to use caulk, silicone, anything we can find.
We'll caulk it.
Realistically, this car's probably gonna blow up before the diff leaking becomes an issue.
We like that. We honestly like to hear that. It's a good thing to hear. Don't look at me like that.
Here's in 4 to 6 hours. We don't have 4 to 6 hours, Billy.
4 to 6
Didn't
hours?
he say 6 minutes?
Well, it says sets in 6 minutes.
I got a bunch of hose.
What the hell?
Huh? We got a hose clamp a bit.
How are we gonna turn it on?
You tighten it.
How tight?
Oh, that's that tight.
Okay, so it works. We got the caulk gun, but that's besides the point. Some dark clouds ahead. You can show them the dark clouds. And
if it rains, I'm very confident I can do the layout we did last weekend in this thing. assuming it doesn't blow up.
That layout.
Here's the, let's make it interesting though. How many tries do I get? Because if you give me a fucking hour, I'm definitely gonna do it. But if we put a time constraint on it, then it'll make it challenging.
I'd say like two tries.
2 tries? Damn, that's tough. Are you good with 4? Because I think I could do it in 4.
Like 4, including the first one being a warm up. So really, it's like 3 after your first attempt.
Yeah. Well, it's in my truck. I got $100.
100
Oh,
bucks
shit.
is crazy.
All right, 20 bucks. I don't know.
20 bucks. I'll do 20 bucks.
Okay. I'm all for doing it. But if it's raining, we don't need to do it. The car's gonna drive really good. Yeah, this Joker is fucking. There's definitely some dried up shit in there.
Yeah. Wow.
I have 1 paper towel. I'm gonna use it wisely.
Shit. Yeah. There you go, Dawn.
A little more if you can.
There you go.
All right, let me try that.
There you go, kid. Damn. Oh,
We're gonna go back on that. That one's good. All right, let's here, we can actually just do this.
We're gonna go find a Ziploc bag or trash bag.
The play.
That's the play, honestly. We're gonna run that route because that is gonna be lifted up when we're supposed to be putting the fluid in, because nothing's like really set at all. So it's kind of chalk situation, but we're still gonna put in this beautiful Burn Rubber Brewery ATF synthetic fluid into this bitch, and it's gonna work fine, right?
Oh God, I don't like the cosine on this.
Yeah, it's gonna work fine, right?
I'm sure. I just truthfully think it'll be okay.
Oh,
Oh God.
I'm like in the splatter zone.
Yeah, this is if I. Oh.
Oh shit, it's farting a little bit.
All right, give the glove a squeeze while I'm in there, but slow. Like don't just kill me.
Come on, Glow, get out, Glow. Ooh, that's
Milking the Beamer right now.
Yeah, milking the Beamer. Good girl. It is looking crazy dark. We just kind of bolted everything back together. We're gonna get everything off the lift. We're gonna get it down, and we're gonna go driving. All right, Tyler was just on the pad. He was taking the E36 out, post welded diff, and okay, give him the update, because I think it looks a little better at least.
Yeah, it feels pretty good. It's just tough. I don't know if it's the body roll or what. It's like a viscous LSD, so it's not an open diff. There's like 2 little tiny holes that you have to fill with weld, which I did. I've welded diffs like that before and never had an issue, but I can't tell if the diff's fully locking or if it's just the axles are doing something weird. I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Yeah, okay, let's go. He's gonna run his layout for 3 more tries. We've got a wager of $20. If he wins, I'm basically buying his dinner, or he's basically buying my dinner. It is raining hard as fuck right now. Holy shit. It's raining heavy as hell right now, and we are gonna fucking drop this shit. Look at this. We're in a fucking tropical storm. Grab that bitch. Damn monsoon out here at Leadfoot. Holy shit, this is crazy. Where did this come from?
I don't know. I'm so glad it came. They make this store so much better.
I believed it. It looks like it. It's too windy. It's too rainy. We gotta go. Tyler won the $20 wager. He got $20. He's buying himself 2 dinners. Probably next video, I'm gonna force Tyler to give me some drift lessons. And I think I need to up my game. I need some help. I think that's what we'll do for sure. All right, this is it, man. We're gonna go get some dry clothes, maybe some food. Peace.